Introducing this unique Laker 712 from DirectBoats.com, where luxury meets versatility. Perfectly crafted for smooth launches, the Laker 712 makes getting on the water effortless. Its sleek design and robust build make it a standout both on and off the water. Spacious enough for the whole family, and even the little ones. Experience unmatched stability with its square aluminum pontoons, ensuring a safe and steady ride. From above, see how the Laker 712 glides effortlessly across the lake, designed with comfort and functionality in mind. Equipped with a state-of-the-art console and captain's chair, a cozy L-shaped lounge seat, and front benches, every seat is the best seat in the house. Every detail is designed for your enjoyment, from the premium furniture to the exclusive Karut motor. The Laker 712 is designed with your comfort and convenience in mind. The premium L-shaped lounge seat in the back isn't just about relaxation. It also features spacious, hidden storage compartments beneath the cushions. These compartments are perfect for stowing away all your gear, life jackets, and personal belongings, ensuring that everything you need is within easy reach while keeping the deck clutter-free and organized. Whether you're planning a day of fishing, a family outing, or a cruise, the ample storage space means you can bring along everything you need for a perfect day on the water. Embrace the serenity of the open water. Take the family to new places and create new memories. The Laker 712, your perfect companion for unforgettable moments. Visit DirectBoats.com to learn more and make the Laker 7 and 12 yours today. Get this brand new layout at DirectBoats.com